everybody. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. It's been a long while. So some of you know I had been very sick for the last 5 years, multiple hospital stays, dozens of specialists, years of treatments. Now finally, 2 surgeries later, I am finally recovering and healing. And after months, I am finally feeling well enough to get back into my happy place. So when it's been a while for me, I tend to go to comfort colors. Today, I have chosen to work with a very simple palette, but one that I absolutely love. So we've got blue, just a kind of dark blue that I mixed up, pearl violet, and a teal that I added a ton of white to. So I'm going to be doing a triptych. I'm going to do the first piece today. I'm not going to necessarily have them flow together or anything like that. I just want to use the same palette and do different background colors, different styles, and just kind of see what happens. I like to do this from time to time, like I said, when I'm coming back and, just not quite sure what I want to do. So I just kind of go back to, the comfort and go back to the basics. So I'm going to start today with just a very simple Dutch pour. I don't really want to have to blow it out super a lot. I don't want to have to work on it a super lot after, and simply just for the reason that this is my first painting back. I don't have a lot of energy yet. So I just want to take it nice and easy, something really simple, small canvas. This is a 12 by 12 inch level 3 canvas that I got from Michael's. So now just sit back, relax, and enjoy some music.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.